Hi guys, how's it going? If you may remember, a couple of years ago I made two videos, one called 50 mini ramp tricks everyone should learn, another being 30 ledge tricks everyone should learn. And while I'm at home quarantining and isolating and whatever you want to call it, while we're on lockdown, I figured it'd be a good time to do a 50 flatground tricks everyone should learn. Of course this video is going to be subjective as there's like a million different types of skating out there, but if you are pursuing a street skateboarding kind of style or a freestyle kind of thing and you are looking for a trick to learn, hopefully this video will give you a bit of guidance on what tricks to learn. But like I said, this is all subjective. We're going to start off with the basics like the ollies, and then we're going to move up to a bit more complicated tricks like the 360 flip and stuff like that. So I'm going to film a trick on this flat ground area behind me just here. I'm going to write the names down in the bottom corner, so if you want to know the name of the trick, it's there, and then you can search it on YouTube if you want to find a trick tip for it. However, I do make trick tips myself, so if I have done a trick tip for the trick, I'll put it in the description below. So, as always guys, let's do this. Okay, so that's all the shove-its taken care of. They were all pretty gross, but we're going to move on to the flip tricks now, so hopefully this video won't be as boring as it has been already. If you are enjoying the video, be sure to subscribe because I'm still giving the skateboard away at 5,000 subscribers. More details will be announced when I hit 5,000 subscribers. I'll bring a little video out telling you how you can enter. Until then, let's carry on with the video and subscribe. Let's do a kickflip. Oh, that hurt. Wow. Alright guys, and there you have it. That is 50 flat ground tricks that I think everyone should learn at some point. Well, not everyone, maybe someone, some people, some skateboarders out there. Like I said at the start of the video, it is very subjective. There are so many styles of skating out there. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Some tricks could have been better, other tricks could have been worse. It's just how it is. I would have liked to have done this video outside of my garden, but unfortunately, in the current state of affairs, it's all I can do. I'm looking forward to getting back out there and filming for a video part, which I was doing before this. However, that's on hold. So in the meantime, it's just going to be videos of me goofing around on my patio out here. But I hope you enjoyed today's video guys, and be sure to subscribe and like and comment if you did. I will be giving that skateboard away at 5,000 subscribers. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. In a bit guys.